To shoot this short video, I was with my friend Nathan, who is a professional drummer here in Switzerland, and his request was, how can I remove this large piece of equipment from my car without causing back pain? Because you know that drummers like him have tons of equipment, and when they go to a concert, well, they have to take everything from the car. So have a look at the video and stay till the end so that I re-explain the general principles that you have seen and that you will be able to apply to any other daily life situation. Wow, this is crazy, man. Okay. That's great. Rolling is always great. This is the part I don't like. Look, the guy is much taller than I am, so I have to be smarter because he's stronger. Yeah? What I don't like is when he does this. Because this is an awkward load, and you see the center of gravity is not well controlled, so there are a lot of, say, strain in the back to compensate for that. You don't want to hold something like this, you want to hold it against you. How can it be against you when it's vertical? You need to assess where the wheels are. Are they the back or are they the front?
No. Yeah, in the front, yeah.
In the front, okay. Oh. So I'm first taking the box out of the car, so you see again my knee against the bumper, even my two knees against the bumper. And I'm just gonna tilt it as little as I can so that it glides on the carpet that we have decided to use. And now what we're gonna do is, as soon as we have brought its center of gravity away from the bumper, we bring it to the ground. I have not lifted, yeah? And as Nathan has decided to not help me, the wheels are here. So I will have to do something about it, which is put it to the ground and reverse the problem. I have lifted much less than Nathan did, you see? And I have no pain. Now, how would I put it back? I would put it back in such a way that I'm not annoyed with the wheels being at the front next time, yeah? So I'm going to load this part first. So place the front of the car, yeah? I'm not lifting, you see? It's carried half by the ground, half by the... And now I don't carry it at all anymore, yeah? Lock the thing. And what I'm going to do is glide it in the car. You see why it's so important to put the carpet here. So I take it from here and just push it into the car. Up, again with my thigh, push, and now there's the seat, so press, push, and push. End of the story. Yeah, I have not lifted once. It was always partly on the ground, partly on me. So you see, to cut a long story short, there are a few general principles that you can remember. The first one is the less you carry, the better. Hence, that means that you should always roll, glide, tilt, rather than lift. The second implication of this is that you should always try and transfer your weight to a third party. The third party is the car, is the ground, is whatever you want. And this is also the reason why you see me with my knees on the car, is when my knees are on the car, well, there is, say, a weight transfer of my weight on the car, meaning that it's lighter on my tissues. And the third big principle is strategy. Don't run like a headless chicken. If you don't put the carpet around the bumper, you will either damage the car or damage your back because you try to not damage the car. So the best people that I see for manual handling, professional movers and so on, are people that are extremely good at foreseeing what's going to be difficult, what's going to be tricky, and taking the appropriate measures before they end up in complex situations. So strategic vision is more important than muscles. Your brains matter more than your arms.